Alright, so making drunken shrimp tacos. Now, I just thought I'd do a little rendition for a Taco Tuesday for you guys. So I do have all the ingredients and everything linked below. So I just prep everything before I do it. But I'm just taking that mayo mixture for the cabbage, slaw, and just adding that. And this is just gonna be the batter. This batter is so easy, and it's just the flour mixture, and I'm adding the beer. The beer really gave it, so this is basically like a tempura batter, but the beer for me, I was like, you know what, let me do beer, because I do usually use beers in my batters because it makes it more just like crispy and fluffy. I don't know, it's just so good. But just mix that, and as you can see, I needed more beer. Oops. But I'm just gonna add more. Like I said, it's cooking, it's fun, you know, not everyone's perfect. Alright, and then you're gonna add egg whites. Now, just the egg whites because you want to get that, like I said, that fluffy texture. And once you whip those whites, it's gonna give you that like meringue type. Whip, 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 yes, yes, whip, 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 whip it, baby, whip it right, just let it whip. Quarantine got me crazy, y'all. Sorry. But now I'm gonna go ahead and just do this. I already have some deveined shrimp here that I just thawed, and I'm just peeling them right now. That's the last of it. Yes, that took me forever, by the way, because it was just, yeah, it's a very tedious task, but yeah, it's fun. Okay, so just of course you want to get your tortillas. Now I use yellow corn tortillas, and I like to just fry them up. They have more flavor, but I just put a little bit of oil. You can use olive oil. I used to just use vegetable oil because olive oil burns too quick. Now, you guys can always, you know, let me know what you would add in the comments, or as well, let me know what you guys wanted me to make, because sometimes I just don't have, you know, enough ideas because I'm sitting here in quarantine doing my research, but I just need more suggestions. So I learned that method to chase the water with the wooden spoon, so you can tell if it's ready to fry. Bubbles will start coming up, which is super duper cool. So basically, I'm just gonna dredge that shit. Gotta dip those shrimps. Don't feel sorry for them now, guys. Get them nice and drunk. And I just place that batter, and you make sure your oil, whenever you're frying things, that it's hot. Because whenever you put cold things in a hot pan, it cools it down. So we'll just get that cooking. Now this, if you're a vegetarian, I'm gonna start making more like vegan vegetarian dishes, guys. So if you're a vegetarian, you know, you could have did zucchini, you could have did, you know, eggplant, you could have whatever kind of tacos you want, but you could have done that and did the same thing, you know, add a little bit of different ingredients, I guess. Make it your own. This is just how I, you know, I'm making mine. So I'm not saying you have to make it like this. This channel is just me cooking and showing you guys what I like to do is cook and make new food. So, or if you're just that person that can't cook at home, you know, watch my channel, and I hope it inspires you to cook, because, you know, I think everyone, especially as adults, like, we should know how to cook. Definitely. Yeah, and you just want to like flip them over a little bit. Honestly, just check them. You know, there are shrimp, they do cook for about like 6 minutes, and I'm just flipping them over just to make sure that, you know, they're each getting coated. But just take them out as you need. And as you see, I was getting rid of those little crunchy things on the side. You want to do that to prevent from the oil from kind of burning. So just get rid of those as much as you can. way you can keep your oil clean. Alright guys, almost done. I'm so hungry. Can't wait to eat this. You have no idea. So as far as plating, I think plating is key, and I don't care if you're by yourself, if you're with someone else, if you're at home and you're just, you know, eating a dinner, you know, plating is good. You can still make food look tasty and still look exciting, because I think we all, like I say, you know, every video mostly, I think we all eat with our eyes. So make it look good, put your personality on it. You know, you could even add some cilantro on there. I didn't have any cilantro at the time, so I just added the jalapeno. You could have added some sour cream crema on there. I added some tapatio, but hope you guys like it. Like, share, and subscribe.